Hi, this is Andy Mattingly with the Be Smart Money Minute powered by Forum Credit Union, and we're going to talk about the 7 financial moves you should make when you start out on your own. The first one is you need to develop a realistic budget based on your net monthly income, not on your gross income. The second thing you need to do is make sure that you keep your credit card debt low. You don't want to start life on your own with a high credit card debt. First day at work, you need to make sure you sign up for your 401k and attempt to get to the company match. That should be your minimum that you go for. The fourth thing you need to do is make contributions to a health savings account if your company offers that. It's a great way to use tax advantage funds to pay for deductibles and other medical expenses and help save you money. The fifth thing you need to do is make sure that you don't overspend on housing and or transportation. So you need to make sure you go back to your budget and look at how much you can really spend on housing and transportation. So don't buy the new car or get that great apartment until you look and see how it fits into your budget. The sixth thing you need to do is start a regular deposit to a savings account. Even if it's $10 a paycheck, you need to start building an emergency fund because there are going to be emergencies that are going to come up when you're living on your own. So you need a little bit of fund to cover those expenses so it doesn't totally wreck your budget or that you start building credit card debt because you don't have an emergency fund. The last thing, or the seventh move you need to make, is set up alerts on all of your accounts. Maybe your parents have always made sure that you've paid your credit card bill online or made sure that you had plenty of money in your checking account, but now that's going to be your responsibility. So set up alerts so you know when charges are made, when the balances get low, and when your credit card payment is due. That's been this month's Be Smart Money Minute powered by Forum Credit Union.